So this next one of all these, this is another fidget toy review. So I'm going to start off with this one. So this is a puppet, Among Us. So that's the Among Us puppet. Now this is just an ordinary square one. So yeah, the thing I like about the Among Us more than the square is that the square one is a bit softer. I don't like that very much. And the Among Us one, when you actually tap it, they stay down, like almost guaranteed. But with the square one, sometimes if you don't press, if you like, they can come back up by accident, like without you even touching it. Like you push it down and then it comes back up, which I don't like, and it doesn't make as good of like a pop than this one. Okay, so now this one, it's like a snorkel kind of, and you pull it out, you extend it. You can extend it and so yeah. And then this one, it's almost exactly like a puppet, but except it's just one. And then this is yeah. Okay, that's my last episode of my reviews. I will be receiving another order from Kaiko Fidgets. I got like something around like 20 new fidgets, so they'll be coming soon. Okay, bye.